This right here is a lot of cubes, and this isn't even all of them. I haven't started the recording process of that yet, but just an idea. So I guess we need to start by clearing off this top shelf here. I didn't realize how horrible of a camera angle I had until watching a blooper that you can see it at the end of the video. If you can't tell, this was also a very terrible camera angle, so I'm just going to explain this to you. I am going to be putting the mains on the top shelf. So the first one we need to find, get that dust off of there, is in MS 2x2. GE MS 2x2, released in like 2020, super popular, right here. Next is the GAN 13 3x3, which we have right here. Now we have an MGC 4x4, which is right down here. Next up is a Yuchuang 5x5, which is just down here. Next is an MGC 6x6, which is right next to it. And here's where things get complicated. I have a 7x7, but we'll just put that back there for now. Okay, so now we're on to Megaminx. Computer, stop.
This is a reminder.
Computer, stop. Oh wait, it's muted. That's right.
This is a reminder. Do a workout.
Okay. Yulong Pyraminx. And this is also my one-handed main, so that is actually going to clear us for the rest of this shelf. But we do technically have a scube, but if you've spent like a single second watching my videos, you know that I don't do scube, so we're gonna leave that down here. With the 7x7, we're just gonna put some stands, because right here, right back here, we're gonna put some of our more valuable cubes. First one being this nice little Rubik's brand, the WRM 3x3 2019. Let's adjust this so that they're all facing the same way. That's not the same way. What am I talking about? There we go. This mini cubby right here is where I would like to dedicate my Rubik's puzzles. So let's clear some of the way here. We have a Go Cube, Master Morphix, Apple Cube for some reason. I think this is a McDonald's toy. And right here we have a mini Rubik's Cube, which is solved on one face, mixed up on the other. 4x4 goes in the back. Rubik's 2x2 right there, and I have a Rubik's 3x3 somewhere in here. Right here. Let's see if this can fit right there. Ooh, it can. Okay. Mini 3x3 right back there. And this 4x4 piece can just go on top of it. Now we have another Rubik's 3x3 somewhere in this mess. Right here, actually. Now we need to clear off this whole space. I somehow managed to mess up the camera angle again, and I didn't even notice it until now, but we got all the cubes off of it. We got all the cubes off of our desk right here. We just gotta clean up a few sticky notes. OG fans will know that these are sticky notes that I've used in my shorts. But now it is time to put the cubes back. First, I want to get some 2x2s to be lined up right here. So we'll get a line of 2x2s right here, then 3x3s, and then the 4x4s, 5x5s, and 6x6s, and then my 9x9 can come on this row, and then in the front we'll do something different. These three 3x3s will be displayed separately. We got a Speed Cube Shop Halloween cube. This is being recorded upside down. What? Speed Cube Shop Spooky Cube, random Halloween cube, as well as an unsolvable Rubik's Cube. And if you can tell me what episode this is from, I will give you a personal shout out. I forgot to place a 6x6 right there, although the 6x6 is kind of out of place. Here we're going to place some 3x3 mods. We have a gear ball, a regular gear cube, I believe this is a windmill cube or maybe a Fisher cube. And then we have this cube right here, which is either a windmill or a Fisher cube. I don't really know which one is which. Here's a good place to put my offset color scheme cubes. They all have the same color scheme, but they're all wrong. It's very annoying to solve on. Voids, I don't have very many, so that's why they go here. Right in front of the mods, we have corner twisting cubes. So we got two scubes. We'll move these guys forward so it looks even. Got two scubes there, a twisted scube, and an X scube, which is the hardest puzzle I've ever solved in my life. Seriously, running out of room, but up here we're gonna have the dodecahedral puzzles. So we got 3 mega mixes coming in right here, and we're gonna be cutting it close right here, but right here we're gonna place this one, and right here we're going to place this one, and we might have to move over into the cat's real estate. Video should honestly just be motivation for me to finish the rest of my desk. Good, we missed a corner twisting cube. The ivy cube needs a place to stay. Hey guys, we rearranged the 3x3s so that we can push this gear ball back and get more room right here. Right here is a 1x1 pyramid submitted a long time ago. Here is a 3-colored 1x1x2 pyramid. Here is a normal pyramid. Here's another normal pyramid, although they have opposite color schemes and I don't know which one is correct. We have a master pyramid, I think this is called. And then right here we have a master morphix. I was looking for you for a long time. Food cubes are gonna go right here. Nice little smiley face. We have a 1x1, I think it can just go right there. Or right there, I think that looks better. We have a weird little 5x5 shape mod that I can't seem to solve. Just gonna put that on the back and place that right there. You know, maybe we'll place it right there so we can hide the 6x6. Mirror blocks 2x2, mirror blocks 3x3, and mirror blocks this thing. We do not want us to cover the Graham Sagan's or Max Park signed cubes. We have some dumb little cartoon figures from some dumb little TV show that I can't say the name of. Thank you to everyone who has watched this far into the video. I hope this motivates you to clean your own cubing collection. I know these things can get crazy fast. If you watched this far, comment a heart emoji. As always, remember to join the Patreon. There are courses available there, and I do exclusive giveaways on my Patreon as well. So if you want cubes or merch delivered to you for free, highly recommend joining the Patreon. Also, maybe check out another video. I know you enjoyed this one.